Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play better defense in Clash Royale. Mastering defense is crucial for climbing the ranks and securing victories. We will cover key strategies like understanding troop interactions, managing your elixir wisely, and placing your defensive buildings for optimal impact. By the end, you will have a solid foundation to improve your defensive game significantly. Elixir management is the cornerstone of strong defense. Always strive for positive elixir trades, using a 3 elixir card to counter a 5 elixir threat, for example. This creates an elixir advantage that can snowball into a powerful counter push. Resist the urge to play cards just because you have elixir. Patience is a virtue in Clash Royale. Strategic placement can turn the tide of any battle. Place troops 2 tiles from the river to kite enemies and activate your king tower, gaining a significant defensive boost. Use defensive buildings like the Tesla or Inferno Tower to pull powerful tank units into the middle, away from your princess towers. Proper placement maximizes your card's value. A great defense often leads to a devastating offense. After successfully defending, use your surviving troops to initiate a counterpush, forcing your opponent to react. Understanding your deck cycle is also vital. Know which defensive cards are coming next. Sometimes, it's better to sacrifice a princess tower to save elixir for a stronger push on the other lane.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.